So the question here is, what is a Tier 1 Reg A Plus offering? Tier 1 allows companies to raise up to $20 million in an offering per year, per 12-month period. And the investors, be they Main Street investors or accredited investors, are not limited as to how much they're allowed to invest in your company. You also are not required to file audited financials in order to register with the SEC, and you are not required to report the results of the company's performance to the SEC post-offering. Although I recommend that you do announce your earnings anyway on a regular basis in order to establish a stable aftermarket value for your shares, for your stock price. Importantly, though, one negative with Tier 1 is that you are required to satisfy the state-by-state blue sky laws. So it's really only going to work if you are able to attract enough investors from outside the US and from one or two states inside the US. So, for example, you might choose to raise money in California and in New York, and that might cost you $7,000 or $8,000 total to satisfy both states' blue sky laws, and then raise the rest of your money outside of the US and not from the other 48 states. That's a significant downside in some cases, but for some companies it's not a problem at all. So you get the swings and the roundabouts aspect of Tier 1. Thank you.